Dr. Qaisar Ali, the chief executive of the firm, has over 30 years of experience providing structural and earthquake engineering services both nationally and internationally. He currently holds several high-level positions at the University of Engineering and Technology Peshawar, Pakistan, including Professor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, and Dean. Dr. Qaisar Ali played a pivotal role in establishing and expanding the first-ever earthquake engineering research center in Pakistan. He is a member of various professional bodies and is part of a core group working on the building codes of Pakistan. His expertise is in the seismic response of various structures, including reinforced concrete frames, unreinforced brick masonry buildings, stone masonry, and traditional Darji Dewari buildings. Dr. Qaisar Ali has served as an advisor on numerous research projects in the field of structural and earthquake engineering. Dr. Qaisar Ali has extensive practical work experience and a strong academic background, which provides him with unmatched insight into the behavior of structures. He has served as a consultant to various government and non-government organizations both nationally and internationally on issues related to structural and seismic design. His exposure varies from structural design of building schools, basic health units, and multi-story structures, bridges and underpasses, to structural design vetting, retrofit, and site-specific seismic hazard assessment. He has also developed several manuals on seismically safe construction for individuals involved in the construction industry. Dr. Qaisar Ali is a member of the editorial board of several publications, including the World Housing Encyclopedia and the Earthquake Engineering Research Institute, USA.
Thank you for listening. Contact us now to get free initial consultation.